But Koreans of the Joseon era admitted that they ate more than other people. Igdong, a politician from the early Joseon period, once said that Koreans eat at one sitting just as much as the Chinese eat over an entire day. An scholar from the early 18th century said that wealthy households would eat as many as 7 times a day. Even today, Koreans would say, let's have a meal, or have you eaten, as greetings. It is natural for people to give good food to those they love. There are lines from Pansori Junhyanga which describe all the rare treats Lee Mong-yong would give to Junhyang. He would slice the top of a watermelon and pour white honey from Gangneung, and give only the sweetened red morsels with the seeds removed. Then he would give tangerine pieces covered in honey and other delectable candies. Given that Junhyang refused all these offers, however, their love must have been much sweeter. Lee Bong-gun sings love song from Pansori Junhyanga, with second room providing a